Hello tubers, it's Robert 28, 1979. Sorry I ain't put a video up in quite a while. I've been kind of busy and doing a whole lot of other things. But I had a request for some more cold start videos, and I figured what better one to do than cold starting this old 78 Massey Ferguson 50D Backhoe. I'll give you a little close up of the numbers, and got the video for the sun in the background, kind of under my carport at the moment, but it is a Massey Ferguson, and it is a 50D. I got this backhoe from my grandpa. I did a lot of work on it. I'll go over what all I've done after I do the cold start. Hopefully it'll start. I got the battery charger hooked up to it. These are fairly brand new Walmart batteries. They were bought down south by Austin, so they don't carry this particular battery here in Amarillo. And they're not but a few months old. See, I went and got this September, I think. I have to check my Facebook again, but kind of looks like that. Watch that hydraulic cylinder right there. You might see it leaking. It leaks. Basically, I've rebuilt every cylinder on this thing but the stabilizer cylinders and these two dump cylinders. Both of those got to be rebuilt, and the stabilizers on both sides got to be rebuilt. And then I got to go back through one of the pivot cylinders is still leaking, so I got to tear it back apart and figure out what's going on with it. But let's see if I can get this thing to fire up. That's a bit of a fail. Well, she sure is a smoking. Hell. Guess I can turn it to the boost setting on the battery charger there and see if we can get it to bust off. Let's try this again. If not, it'll be considered a cold start fail, and I'll shoot another little video in about 30-45 minutes. Let's see if that'll work. Let's try again. This is no go. And no, I'm not trying to use starting fluid. I will not use starting fluid on this thing either. I don't believe in that, because it does, over time, create issues and problems with the motor. Well, tell you what, I'm going to let this battery charge a little bit, and then I'll cut back in. I'll see y'all in just a second. Alright, we're going to try round two. It's been on the charger for about 15 minutes, long enough for me to clean the heater up. We're going to try this again real quick. Sorry about that, guys. Made a hell of a little pile here. Yeah, the main reason I started this thing up is I had to move it. I'm gonna let it sit out there and run a little bit. Sorry for the light, guys. It's gonna get a little bit bright. See if I can keep this camera fairly still. But I'll show you. This hydraulic cylinder here, we rebuilt both of them. But this one's still spewing oil. You can see it. I got to tear it back apart and order some seals for it. It's metric, so it's hard to find seals for it. This is on here because they sheared the bolts on the mounting point on this thing and lost the cover plate, so I gotta get new bolts and build a new plate for that. I said, this stabilizer cylinder still needs to be rebuilt. So does that one. This hydraulic cylinder leaks. That hydraulic cylinder leaks. So I gotta rebuild both of those. This tire, as you can see, it's in pretty rough shape. Right there in the sidewall. It holds there for a few days. You see over by the Bobcat, the old tire for this side. I put a new one on it yesterday. It's a good year. Fairly good tread. I mean, you can see the ridges on it. It wasn't on the machine very long. Still see all the pits on the side of it. I got this tire very cheap. Well, what's most incredible about this thing, and I said I haven't done much videos. I said I've been very busy. Very busy. But see if I can zoom in on this. Look at it, we can block the sun. It's got 1,734 hours on this backhoe. See the oil flowing now. Pouring down that cylinder. Look at it streaming. I guess I'll go ahead and raise this up and drive around in the back so I can still get to the battery charger. I'm almost going to like a whole bunch of hydraulic oil on the front yard. It's your high and low. And 1 and 2. It's a pain in the butt to get into gear. Sometimes a bit of a pain in the butt. There. Now maybe you can hear me. With all this wind. Oh. Whew. I said that thing just, it leaks like a sieve. Badly. So, I'll park it back here because this is a pad I'm building. We're fixing to build a 24 by 24 addition off the back of the shop. So, you see that front tire's about flat again. And yes, it's all tire shot, rotted. It does have a tube in it. That's something else I gotta fix, and I'm noticing now that I've got antifreeze spewing from somewhere. So that's something else to look into, figure out what the heck's going on there. But anyway, that was a cold start of the Massey Ferguson Backhoe. So, till the next one, guys, y'all have a good one. Comment, rate, subscribe, thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down if you don't. And one last thing, these are the dust seals. That's what they gave me when I ordered this. These things are so tight, they won't move. So, and they're telling me to just glue them in. So what I'm going to end up having to do is put glue on them, shove them in there, tap them back down, and then drill into the glads here and put short rods into the seal to hold them, which I think is kind of retarded, but I don't have much of an option. So, anyways, comment, rate, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. So, until the next one, have a good one.